Hey internet, the code is in the pinned comment. This is a thermodynamic error rate calculator for my coding project. I'm just making applications that solve problems for me. It's also in the description for the GitHub code. So we're going to use a thermodynamic example. So we want to find the error rate. So we know the error rate is 2.1%. So let's confirm if that's true or not. So the formula is E is equal to X minus Y divided by Y. So that's your classic error rate formula. X is the real value, Y is the experimental value. So we type in E, we want to find the error rate. We type in our real value, which is whatever number. Okay, so if you look to your right, it should be the same. So that's some volume flow rate, but units don't matter because you assume what you're typing in, you know what you're typing in, I hope. Okay, and our experimental value is 0.01667. Okay. So it should give you 0.021, something close to that. Yep, so 2.1%. It works. This is useful for your everyday life when you're comparing rates of failure, or I guess what's the difference in error rates. So when you're doing 100 of these, this is a nice calculator to have. Also, it's useful for tutorial questions. Alright, so let's go again and we'll try something else. Like, instead of the error rate, let's find the experimental value with the same values and see if it works. So let's type in Y. It is case sensitive. So we know it is 2.1%. And we know it's this number. And there you have it. It gives you a number that's pretty close to the experimental value. So thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Leave a comment below if you enjoyed my coding project. Until next time, see ya.